SD70 Ace. SD stands for Special Duty, and that's my favorite engine. SD40. There's a train down there, but he stopped at there. This is 195 manifest. Dash 9.
Yeah, they're thinner.
And an ET40 AC.
On that ET44 AC. Yeah, we stopped them. See that? What is it? He said
Open rail box car. Rail box.
okay.
There goes 195. He's going up to back. He's going up to come back and back in the yard. 195 manifest. So a thing with Norfolk Southern is 1. If it's in the 1s, it stands for manifest. If it's in the 2s, it's intermodal. And if it's in the 7s, it stands for coal. And 3s stand for something, but I don't really know. He's gonna go on a siding, I think.
Yeah, getting on the siding. That's all I'm doing.
The train down there is getting on a siding, actually, I think.